Greetings everybody, so we're just a little run through of what we've got going on today. Got a little invite only open day. First one we've done. We'll give it a go later on in the year when the weather's a bit better, but it's mainly a two-stroke fire up day, although we have got everything here. These are the puddle jumpers, 490 Mako, which Dello might have broken his ankle trying to start yesterday. The Yamaha IT 190, I think that is. Kenny Roberts replica 750 TZ750 flat tracker. That is a real mental thing. And then we're just going to have a little wander through Ken's bike. That's Ducati 999, I think, that we've got here. Dello's little KR1R with his sexy exhausts. Pete's Softail with pillion. Jake's stable of flat tracker and his R6. And we'll have a little wander through. Let's say that. So the office has become the kitchen. The girls are getting ready for bacon sandwiches and teas and coffees. These two beauts, Kenny Roberts 1980 500 GP racer, all of which we're going to be firing up as long as they behave. We've got a little TZ750. This is quite an interesting little one. We'll probably do a proper video on this, YouTube video, but this was the last 350 to win at the Isle of Man TT in 1983. 76, 77 Sheene RG500. Again, we'll be firing that up. All nice and tidy. The Z900, which is actually an 1190 Owens Street Fighter type thing. The Gas Triumph. Jimmy's is done. We can have a little look on that when the video's around. That's got a transfer shaft on it because it's got such a big back wheel, so, and a 1200 Bandit in it. So Dello's done his magic on that. Even the Miami Chops made an appearance in the winter. Jake's little Ducati. These are customers' bikes that we're working on. The Iron Banshee, the KH750. Dello, what have you done? Fallen over again? He's cleaning all his bike up. Yeah, a whole gaggle of everything. So, yeah, so we'll see how the day goes. Stuart's going to do some filming, some photos, some all sorts. So that will all be out on social media and YouTube, no doubt. Let's have a good day.
Cool, he's got one job to do. So you're good risk manager.
You'll break the internet with that.
Yeah. She's on.
All right.
There you go. Told you to go on.
I mean, look at the length of my legs like. They're so high, aren't they?
It's a big bike, isn't it?
It's back knee off. It's back knee off. It's got limits.
Yeah, I was going to say, I wouldn't be able to tell you. It's like, hold on then, go.
Try that.
Yeah, I don't feel as deaf now.
I'm impressed. Cheese and coffees in there. We lift London. Blue sky. Sunny. Yeah. It's been nice.
I'm a bit sassy.
Yeah. Boys, you've done well.